In the dark with affiliate marketing? Try these tips. Imagine if there was some magical resource that could grant your every wish when it comes to affiliate marketing and increase your income tenfold. Unfortunately, no such thing exists, however, you have come to probably the second best option to that. Watch this video and enjoy these smart tips. Check the company's reputation. Working with a company who has a bad reputation is pretty obviously a bad idea, but dig a little deeper to see how their underlying reputation looks. They may have undisclosed issues, like a lawsuit that hasn't made the news yet. You don't want to affiliate yourself with a company that will, in the end, damage your reputation as well. Many people spend hours on the internet. They usually come across many advertisements per day, and will pay attention to the ones that are relevant to their lives. Putting an advertisement for your company on the internet is a sure way to make sure that hundreds of people will see it each and every day. To be a successful affiliate marketer, you have to say no to some ventures. Make sure you can handle everything that's already on your plate before you take on another task, and always remember to only involve yourself in productive tasks that will eventually lead to profits. Leave those maybe tasks for someone else to do, you need to focus on results. Affiliate marketing entails many tasks, some hard and some easy. You should always tackle the hardest and longest tasks first if you want to be productive. By doing this, you will be able to coast through the easier tasks, ending your workday on a good, strong note. Plus, handling the tougher tasks first allows you to get more of them done per day. A great affiliate marketing tip is to avoid laziness. Visitors know when you're just lazily placing affiliate ads on your website. This annoys visitors and will definitely drive them away. Visitors will be more keen on affiliate products if you write honest and detailed reviews about them. Trying different affiliate programs to find which one works best for you is okay. You have to find one that meets your needs with a payment plan that works best for you. You should also check other affiliate vendors to see if there are others that meet your needs more. Prior to working with an affiliate program, do your research to learn more about the company. Do not get involved with any company that does not have a fixed address and phone number. If they are just offering you an email address as a means of contact, move on to another program. In conclusion, you know that there is no magic hat that you can use to pull out all the right answers to your affiliate marketing questions. However, as promised, the tips included in this video should be the next best thing. Go ahead and try out what we have suggested and you should enjoy better results. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.